What's happening, guys? Welcome to RTH Tech TV. This is Samsung Galaxy On 6, which has been recently launched, and this is very much similar to Samsung Galaxy J6 with some subtle differences in terms of pricing, variants, and availability. Now, guys, in this video, let's unbox it. Let's have a look at camera samples, and let's also listen to sound quality. Now, this actually comes with Exynos 7870 processor, which is an octa-core processor. Now there is one very important thing which not a lot many people highlight. Even Samsung doesn't highlight that thing. That is the fact that this 7870 processor is a 14 nanometer processor based on FinFET technology, which is on par with as good as Snapdragon 625 and Snapdragon 636 processor. Let me just cut this seal. Now there are actually three major benefits of having this 14 nanometer processor. A, it will actually improve the performance. B, it will improve the battery life. And C, it actually reduces heating to greater extent. Now, guys, I'll play some high-end games and let you know how good or how bad or how optimized the performance is. Now, the variant which I have here with me comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of inbuilt storage. So let's quickly remove this wrap. So this is the blue variant, guys. It's also available in black color. Now this actually comes with the 3000 mAh battery, a 13 megapixel rear camera with fingerprint sensor on the rear side, and 8 megapixel front facing camera. So you do have flash on the rear side and flash on the front side, which is definitely a good thing, I believe. Now this actually comes with that Infinity display. It's actually a 5.6 inch HD plus Super AMOLED display with 18.5:9 aspect ratio, and this display also has that Gorilla Glass, guys. So quickly let's power this on, and while it boots up, let's check what else comes in the box. Now in the box we get a quick start guide, warranty information, all the paperwork. Let's keep it aside. We get a SIM ejector pin. We have a charger. Let's quickly see what's the rating. It's a 1 amp charger, guys, not even a 2 amp charger. So definitely it's not a fast charger. According to today's standards, I believe they should have given a 2 amp charger. Anyways, let's keep it aside. And we have headsets. So as you can see, standard Samsung headsets. These are definitely good, guys. They are not in-ear style, but they are definitely good. I've checked them earlier. And this also comes with that normal USB to micro USB cable, so no type C. So let's keep all these things aside and let's check the phone itself. Alright, guys, I have set up the device. Now on the security front, this has fingerprint sensor and also face unlock. Let's quickly check them out, and later on we'll also see some device specific details. Now firstly, checking the face unlock. So as you can see, it has that delay of a second or so, which definitely is not a good sign. This should be improved. This can be improved through software update, OT update, and I wish they do that as soon as possible. So as you can see, it has that delay of a second or so. Even if you speak out fingerprint sensor, it has that delay of half second or so, better than face unlock, but still I believe this also should be improved. It's not the best I've seen. So as you can see, it has that delay of a second or so. Now out of the box, this runs on Samsung Experience 9.0, which is based on Android 8.0. Now speaking about storage and memory, out of that 4 gigs of RAM, 2.2 GB is available, and out of that 64 GB, 50 GB, around 50 GB is available out of the box. Now this also has that dedicated SD card slot, which allows you to expand the storage up to 256 GB. So as you can see, you can install 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at any given time. So this holds SIM 2 and micro SD card, and in the other slot you can install SIM 1. So as you can see, this is definitely a helpful feature according to me. Now speaking about the display, guys, this comes with that 5.6 inch HD plus Super AMOLED display with that 18.5:9 aspect ratio. Let me just quickly increase the brightness. So as you can see, this also has pretty good viewing angles. Decently good, not the best I've seen. So as you can see, but at extreme angles, you can notice a slight amount of discoloration happening. But by and large, display looks pretty good, guys. Now there is one thing which I did not like about this phone, the fact that it's pretty lightweight, and the reason for that is this has that plastic build, guys. It's not made up of metal. It's completely made up of plastic, and in 2018 at around 15K, this is definitely not acceptable according to me. Anyways guys, quickly let's look at some camera samples, and later on let's also listen to sound quality. Alright guys, now speaking about rare camera samples, I was very much impressed with autofocus. It was fast, accurate. I had no issues in terms of macro shots as well. In general, images were sharp, they had good detail, and because of 1.9 aperture, images were bright and also produced some good bokeh effect or background blur. When it comes to color reproduction, I felt them to be little on cooler side. Otherwise, they were almost accurate. And it also did a good job in terms of HDR, highlighting shadows and details. So that's it guys, complete list of specification and buying links are given in the description box below. Kindly check them out. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RCHTechTV, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon.